Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Jawbone skin in Call of Duty Mobile. This legendary character skin is a fan favorite, known for its distinctive look. While its availability can change, the primary methods involve engaging with the game's seasonal content. We'll explore the most common ways players have acquired this awesome skin, helping you understand where to look and what steps to take to add it to your collection. The most common way to acquire unique skins like Ghost Jawbone is through the game's Battle Pass system. Each Battle Pass offers 100 tiers of rewards, with premium characters often found in the higher tiers. You usually need to purchase the premium Battle Pass to unlock these exclusive items. Play regularly, complete challenges, and earn Battle Pass experience to advance through the tiers and claim your rewards. If you missed a Battle Pass featuring Ghost Jawbone, don't worry. The Battle Pass Vault is a fantastic feature that brings back content from previous seasons. Keep an eye on the vault, as popular skins often rotate back into availability. You can use Battle Pass Vault coins, earned through various in-game activities, to unlock specific items you desire from these archived passes. It's a great second chance. Beyond Battle Passes and the vault, keep an eye on the in-game store and special events. Sometimes, highly sought-after skins like Ghost Jawbone are featured in limited-time bundles or lucky draws. These typically require direct purchases with Call of Duty points. Staying updated with official game announcements and checking the store daily will ensure you don't miss any opportunities to grab this awesome character.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.